I'm Hot Car Track, and this is Mount Western Raceway. Summer Tournament Round 2, Heat 6. Heat 5 saw the Shelby Cobra move into the semi-finals. Who will fill the last remaining semi-final spot? Let's look at today's competitors. First up, we have the mighty 70 Ford Torino. Will he move into the semi-final spot? Next up, we have the Plymouth Barracuda. Has he got the pace to take on Mount Western? And the final car competing today is the 64 Chevelle SS, one mean racing machine. The first car to win 3 races wins a spot in the semi-finals.
Let's do it. Race 1.
The Barracuda's right out front going to the first turn, 64 on his heels. He's got this sewn up, sees the finish line and says, "Thank you very much, I'll take that."
Winner, Plymouth Barracuda.
Take us to the replay, MC.
I'm onto it.
The 70's really slow out of the start gate. I hope he's all right. The 64 goes up high. He loses speed. But it's the Barracuda all the way. What a fantastic first race. First win on the board, Plymouth Barracuda.
Race 2.
Fairly even out of the start gate. Here comes the Barracuda. Oh, the 64's over. It's the Barracuda. It's the Barracuda all the way. He takes out race 2.
Winner, Plymouth Barracuda. I'll take it to the replay, HC.
Go for it. Yeah, good clean start. Not too much hassles up the top. The Barracuda has a nice line. 64 just can't handle the corner. But look at the speed on the Barracuda. Goes up high. Perfect position going into the finish line. And there you go. The Plymouth Barracuda scores his second win out of race 2.
Race 3.
This is what we're waiting for. The 70 is in a great position down low. Oh, the 64 just takes him over. Look at the speed. Ah, the 64 takes race 3.
Winner, 64 Chevelle.
Take us to the replay, MC.
Here we go.
Check this out. The 70 cuts in front of the Barracuda. The 64 goes up high. He sees the opportunity. And he's like, "I'm taking this race out, lads. I'll catch you later." Beautiful into that turn 2. Excellent position. And he sees the finish line. And he scores a win on the board. Congratulations to 64.
Race 4.
Oh, look at the pace already. Oh, go to 64. He pushes the Barracuda out of the way. He really wants the semi-final spot. Sees the line. The 64 really knows how to handle Mount Western Raceway.
Winner, 64 Chevelle. Let's go to replay, HC.
Go for it, mate. Yeah, the 70's just so slow out of the gate, but the 64 blocks the Barracuda, slows him down, picks up speed down the straight, in a perfect position. Look at that, right up high, slides a bit. There's no worries here, the Barracuda can't catch me. So there you go, the 64, 2 wins.
Race 5.
The 70's just stalled. Don't know what's wrong with him. And here comes the 64. Oh, the Barracuda's just nudged him, and they've stacked it. It's a DNF.
The semi-finals were tough. Anything can happen on Mount Western Raceway.
Take us to the replay.
I'm onto it.
I don't think the 70 wants to race at all in the semis. 64 has some trouble going there, spins out, turns over, and here comes the 70 and slams into him.
Some tension out there today on the track. Race 6.
Good clean start. Here comes the Barracuda, he's in a great place. Here comes the 70. Oh, here comes the 64. This is anyone's race. It's the Barracuda. It's the Barracuda. He scores a spot in the semi-finals.
Winner, Plymouth Barracuda. Replay.
What an exciting race that was. I really thought the 70 would have taken this semi-final spot out. He had a good position there. The Barracuda blocks him. The 64 sees an open gap but has left it too late. And the Barracuda all the way into the final semi-final spot. Congratulations to the Barracuda, 3 wins.
What a race, HC.
It's always changing here at Mount Western Raceway, and congratulations Plymouth Barracuda, you fill the last semi-final spot. So going into the semi-finals, we have Dodge Challenger, the 61 Impala, the 70 Challenger, Muscle Speeder, the Shelby Cobra Daytona, and the Plymouth Barracuda. Congratulations to all drivers. We'll see you in the semis. I'm Hot Car Track, and this is Mount Western Raceway. Thanks for watching.